You don't need coding skills to clean up your addresses. Smarty's Microsoft Excel add-in makes it fast and easy. First, open Excel. Click Add-ins in the Home tab and search for Smarty Address Verification. Add it, launch it, and boom! You're already halfway there. Next, sign up for a free Smarty account if you haven't already. On your dashboard, go to API Keys and generate a secret key. Now head back into Excel and click Enter Credentials. Paste in your Auth ID and Auth token and hit Submit. Make sure each address is in a single column, one per cell. Highlight the ones you want to verify and click Validate Addresses. Out come standardized, mailable, metadata-rich addresses ready to go. Just a heads up, your Smarty subscription determines how many lookups you can run, so be sure to check your plan. Need any help? Our support team responds fast, and yes, they're real people. Now, validate away and don't forget the happy dance.